Okay, we're gonna review how to graph the line and slope intercept form. So y equal mx plus b, where 1/2 the slope and the -4 is your y-intercept. So m is 1/2, b is -4. Okay, how we plot this? We're gonna start with the y-intercept, which is the y-intercept, meaning the point on the y-axis at -4. Okay, the slope is 1/2, so rise over 1, so up 1/2. I'm going to plot a few more points just so that I have a straight line, up 1/2. If you want to do this, another way you can think of this is the slope. Instead of up 1/2, you can think of going down 1 and then to the left 2, because negative is also positive. So sometimes we ran out of space and we cannot plot. If we cannot go up, we can pretty much go down, but we go to the opposite direction. We just down to the left. Okay. If you have a ruler, draw a straight line. So that's how I graph slope intercept form. Okay. Let's do one more. I'm looking at number 2. My slope is 5/2. Y-intercept is 2. So again, I'm starting with 2. The slope is 5/2, so I can go up 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, like I said, sometimes we don't have enough space to go up. Then we can go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But instead of goes to the right, we go to the left. 1, 2. Connect the dot. Okay, go ahead and pause the video so that you can practice the next 2 problems, 3 and 4. Okay, welcome back. So after you've done those practice, let's look at the next type of line. It's still a straight line, but in a different form. The last one is slope intercept, and the next one we look is called standard form. That is mean you don't know your slope, you don't know your y-intercept, we just have these 2 numbers. So one way to do this is we're going to solve for we're going to solve for y, so that way we can know what is the slope and what is the y-intercept. So 3x plus 5y equal -10. If I want to solve for this problem, minus 3x, 5y, so -10 minus 3x. To solve for y, I'm divided by 5. Cross -10 divided by 5 is -2, -3/5. Please keep in fraction, so that would be easier for you to graph the line. So if you change to decimal, then you don't know how many units to move. So in this case, keep in fraction. Alright, so you have your slope is -3/5, y-intercept is -2. So we're going to start at -2, which is the y-intercept. The slope is -3/5, so down 3, 1, 2, 3/5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do that, or if you can think of this way, the negative you can write on the top, on the bottom, the same. So if you can think of this way, up 3, 1, 2, 3, and then the negative tell you go to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now connect all the points, and that is your line. There's another way for you to graph this one, but I'm just gonna wait until I come back. So for now, solve for y. Okay. Write out questions. Any question that you have for me, make sure you write that down. So when I see you on Tuesday, we'll figure it out. Okay. All right. Let's look at the next problem for number 7. So this is strange a little bit because it's just y equals 3. So let's think about this. I just have the 3. Look at the slope is the number with the variable. I don't have that, so that means my slope is 0. And the 3 will be my y-intercept. So I'm going to start with 3 right here. Is this 0? So do I move up or down? Probably no, right? So it's just a straight line, it's horizontal line because I don't get to move up or down. I can only go to the left or to the right. So for this one is horizontal line. It's a special line. We'll talk more about this when I come back. Okay, just turn to the next page. I will have you can practice number 8 and 9. So why don't you pause the video, go ahead and practice 8 and 9. And when you're ready, click on play so I can give the example for problem 10. Okay, for 10, this is a special line. So this one is called a vertical line where the slope is undefined. So what this is you cut, this is the x only, so that means it cut through the x-axis only at -5. So -5. The only way you can draw the line that cut the x-axis will be a vertical line. So if just the x values, it will cut x-axis or touch x-axis. Okay? This one also a special line as well. Okay, so take a minute, think about all these practice problems, write out questions that you have for me. That way when I come back on Tuesday, you can ask me questions.